How to share audio during Google Meet presentation. Welcome back to my channel, Chalk and Step by Aura. First is you have to click the Start button. Next is you have to select Settings. Click System. Select Sound. Click Manage Sound Devices. Under Input Devices, enable Stereo Mix. Now go back to Google Meet. Set up a new meeting. Select More Options. Choose Settings. And change your microphone to Stereo Mix. Be sure to turn on your microphone. Quick and easy, right? Try it now and share your experience below on the comment box.